Hello everybody. Going to go through the Fitbit app here to show you how to change your temperature on your Fitbit from Celsius to Fahrenheit when you have a Fitbit Sense. Just got mine the other day and this drove me nuts, but here we go. Go into your account. From here you want to go into the Fitbit Sense. From there you click on Gallery. And from the gallery, scroll down all the way to the bottom. You have weather, so select that. Then you go into settings. And then here you can flip unit, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now I've already selected Fahrenheit, so that is how you change your Fitbit Sense from Celsius to Fahrenheit. All right. Hey, like my page and subscribe. This is my first electronics and gadgets I'm doing. I do a lot of EV stuff and some Kubota stuff, outdoor stuff. So, like and check out my page. You might find something interesting there. All right. Thank you. God bless.